Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to narrow down your search on the Zara application, but first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone, then tap on the menu icon that you can see down below. Now choose the section in which you would like to search, and then if you are done with it, select the type of clothing you are looking for. Then if you are ready to narrow down your search, just tap on the icon filters in the upper right corner of the screen. Now you can select the color, what you are looking for, the size. You can narrow down your search according to the price range, so you can select by using this scale. And if you are ready with these steps, all you have to do is tapping on the icon view results at the bottom of the screen, and now you are ready to browse through these results. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.